Hey guys, it's Zachary Joseph. I'm your coach. For today, we are focusing on Pilates inspired moves. So I'm going to show you kind of the principles of Pilates, some simple exercises that you can do anywhere. You just need a mat. So if you're new to Pilates, it's going to be a great kind of refresher on what to expect. If you've done Pilates before, you're just looking to get a great workout. You just need a mat. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get going. We'll start with the Pilates roll up. So have a seat onto the sit bones and have your mat, arms in front. And in this position, you want to roll the shoulder blades down, tuck the chin, and then around the spine, almost like you're curving down, rolling something, hitting your lower, middle, upper, back, and let the arms kind of float through. So you can keep your feet on the mat with knees bent. Reach the arms to the sky. You want to tuck the chin. Now, if you need assistance, use your hands under the hamstrings, around the spine. Think vertebra by vertebra as you come all the way up. As you get that tipping point, kind of open up the chest and then extend the arms forward so you're in this upright position. So you're rolling like a ball with control all the way down, and let the arms come down. Big exhale. So you want to exhale as you roll, and then inhale. You can reach the arms up. Want a little extra challenge, and then rounding the spine. You can almost round, pulling in the belly button up. Draw the tailbone down. Look at your navel, and then relax the head, neck, shoulders. So they say that one of these is equivalent to like 8 to 10 crunches. It's hard to talk when you do this move all the way up. And then rounding the spine all the way down. Let's do that one more time as you reach the arms all the way up. Big inhale and exhale. Roll up, lift, 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 lift. And then a rounding control. Exhale, back on to the mat. Great. Float your right knee into tabletop, followed by left. This is Pilates 100. Lift the head, neck, shoulders off the mat. Hover the arms, we pump. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, exhale. So you pump the arms, inhale through the nose, exhale out the mouth. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, Inhale, 2, 3, 4. And the goal is to have straight arms. You're pumping for 100. You can always have one hand behind your head. To create some variations, legs to sky. Exhale, inhale, exhale. 2 more, 2, 3, 4, exhale. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, exhale. You can find a low stance for 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2 more, 2, 3, 1. Last one, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, and knees to chest. You can rest your head. So this is now single leg stretch. Lift your head, neck, shoulders. Hover one leg. Hug your knee with both hands around the shins. Pull twice. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, switch. So it's a pull, 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 switch. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, singles. Take it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reset. Feet to floor. With feet hip distance, we'll find ourselves in a bridge. Lift the hips up and down, squeezing the glutes at the top, driving it up and down. Lift and lower. Exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, driving the hips up, down, pushing the weight in the heels. So from here, try your best to think about hovering the mat and squeezing the glutes. So we take it down and up, down and up. Good. 3, 2, 1. And meet at the top. Bring the left leg to the sky or right leg either or. Tiny circles. So these are tennis ball sized circles. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 4, 3, 2. We'll lower that leg to the floor like a paintbrush. Flex the foot, point the foot down, flex to lift, point and flex, point and flex, for 4, and 3, in 2, 1, and then lower. Take that leg down. You want to circle it out and around. Bring it center, lower to the floor. As we do this move, you want to keep your hips and everything chest parallel to the ceiling. So you want to avoid wobbling. You really want to isolate the core. Your leg is doing a lot of work. And then reverse it. Take it out. Exhale, lift up to the sky. Take it out and around. Exhale, lift. Take it out and around. One more. And let's switch the leg. Hips to sky. Opposite leg to ceiling. All right. From here, taking it all the way down. Flex foot lift. Point, flex foot lift. Point, flex foot lift. Down and up. Inhale, exhale, 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, pointed foot, 8 circles, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and reverse. How straight can you get the leg? Hips high, 4, 3, 2, flex the foot, little hips, up and down, up and down, drive the hips, 4, in 3, in 2, and 1, all the way down. Lower the leg, sweep it out and around the midline, down, exhale, up and around, inhale, exhale, out and around, circle, and let's reverse the direction, go out, bring it up center, out, bring it up center, around, and center. One more. And great. Knees, tabletop position. So create a little ball. You want to hands on the shins. Look at your belly button. Create that rounded spine. Then extend the arms and legs out. Round in for 2, and then extend 2. Pull the navel in. Look at your belly button. Reach out long. Round and extend 2 more. So this is double leg stretch. Extend 1 more. And knees in tabletop, crisscross. 1, 2, exhale. Inhale, opposite shoulder, opposite knee. Twist, twist. 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, that rotation side to side. You can do straight leg as well if you want an extra challenge. Take it 1, take it 2, take it 1, take it 2, 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees to chest. Roll yourself up. We'll finish with some on our hands and knees. So with hands on the shoulders, knees under your hips, extend 1 leg out, opposite leg in front, pulling the navel in. We will lift up and down. Lift, opposite arm, opposite leg, bird dog as you extend and lower, keeping your gaze on the floor. Lift, lower, good. Long stretch, 8, 7, keep your hips stable, 6, soft core, in 4, 3, 2, 1, and reset. Other side, opposite hand, opposite leg, take it up and down, exhale, again, so lift and lower, 1 and 2, up, that's it, so good, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and from here, all the way lower, chest to floor. You can have your forearms stacked, forehead on top. Bring your right heel, flex the foot, kick 2 times, lower, switch. Kick, kick, extend. Kick, kick, extend. So you kick the heel back, switch, hovering your thigh off the floor. Good. So hover, 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 2 more. And arms go behind, we lift, kick, little swimmer, so hands extended. Make sure your chin and eye line are to the floor. Flutter your kicks, up, down, kick, 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 kick. Palms even higher, lift the chest. Push your pubic bone into the mat. My thighs are hovering for 4, 3, 2, 1. And push the hands, come up. And you be in that child's pose, big stretch. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that little set of some of the principles of mat flies that you would see in kind of any other traditional class. If there are any other video requests or questions you have, leave them in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to click that subscribe button. And if you do want to help support the channel, I do have a PayPal link. You can find that all in the description box if you want to help donate. Other than that, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.